Okay, so to get your colors customized on the Shoptimized theme, first of all you're going to want to come up with a decent color palette to go with. Now for this I recommend using color.adobe.com. They've got a really great tool on there, and you can also select from a load of presets that other people have made. And I'll show you that quickly now. Basically, this is it. You can use these individual sliders to come up with a palette that works. But usually I go for the explore option, and I use another users and perhaps just customize those. I've already came up with a color palette, and we're going to go with these ones here. So the first thing is, what you need to know is we've got a colors section here, and this controls a lot of the general colors, but there are many other color controls that are hidden away in the other elements of our theme, and I'm going to go through those and show you how we get those configured. Okay, so one of the most important options is the primary color. You can use a different secondary color, but for now we're going to go with the same one. I'm going to show you how we get the upsell pop-up configured in another video, so I'll leave the colors for that for now. For footer copyright, we're going to go with a nice grey color here. Change that. To change the other footer coloring, you need to go into footer second row, and you've got the background color option here. Again, you can edit the footer phone text color. And now we're going to customize the top bar, which is this one here. So it's header strip. And for these icons here, you need to change the link background color. Okay, and because all of these are links, they're not controlled by the font color. You need the link font color for those. Okay, you may want to have a different cart background. We'll just go for a darker one. Literally every element of this theme more or less can be customized as you'd like. So if you want, you can change the header background like this. We're going to leave ours as white. Menu background color. As you can see, we can change the bar here. We're going to go for a light color. Maybe something like this. Header phone number font. Get that updated here. The bottom is linked differently as I showed you before. Now you can see we've got this free shipping bar that only displays on mobile. You can enable that here or disable it entirely. Obviously you can customize these colors for it as well, but we're going to just disable that on our theme. Okay, next up. So we've got these two products carousels on our front page. We can change the headers for these individually if we need. So basically you'll find the majority of the color settings in the individual component. Okay, so now we're going to want to change this text here because it's out. We'll go into homepage promotion and title font color. Okay, so bottom border color, get that changed. That's just this little white border that goes around the edge of this top header. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the product page color settings. So you just need to go into product page and then get these customized. I mean, a lot of these options here are self-explanatory, but I'm going to configure the theme and show you how we do it. You can customize the colors of this progress bar if you want, but currently they look pretty good for us. Size chart link color if you need to change that. Okay, add to cart button. Get the background. We'll get the hover background slightly darker, I think. Okay, so for the social proof pop-up, it's the little pop-up that you'll see appearing down here incrementally. really simple to configure that. In fact, title is black. It looks like everything is configured now the way we'd like it. You can obviously go much more in depth than what I've shown you today, but I'm sure you'll be able to work it out because all of our color settings are pretty straightforward, to be fair. Okay, one of the last things is getting the checkout page the way you'd like it. For this, there's not really a lot of settings for the colors, but we have this button here that we can change. And obviously any of these accents as well. For now, we'll leave them as they are. You've also got the cart page to consider, but for this we only have an option for the cart timer color. And that is this little color that you'll see here. So you can get that switched over if you'd like. Red works well for us.